Data cleaning and time-based indexing. Data cleaning and time-based indexing are essential steps in preparing time series data for analysis, especially when dealing with multivariate analysis. Here we have some steps that ensures that the data is accurate, complete and formatted correctly for time series analysis. Data cleaning in multivariate time series analysis. The data cleaning involves preparing raw data by removing inconsistency, handling missing values and correcting errors in the dataset. In multivariate time series analysis, the steps are crucial because time series data often contains multiple variables and any issues in one variable can affect the entire analysis. Here we have some common steps in data cleaning. The first one is handling missing data, which involves interpolation, computation and deletion. Say for example, if a variable like temperature has missing values on certain days, you can either interpolate the values based on previous and next days or impute the missing data using the average temperature of the month. Next, handling outliers. If your monthly sales data shows an unusually high spike due to one-time promotion, it may be treated as an outlier and capped or adjusted. The third step is dealing with duplicate entries. Check for and remove duplicate rows in the dataset as they can skew the analysis. The next step is normalizing the data. Transforming variables to have a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. This is particularly useful when working with variables measured in different units. Next, data transformation. Sometimes data needs to be transformed to make it suitable for analysis, such as applying a log transformation to make a skewed distribution more normal. The final step involves consistency in data. Ensure all time points are consistent across all variables. If some variables are reported monthly and others daily, convert them to consistent frequency, such as monthly averages. Next, time-based indexing in multivariate time series analysis. The time-based indexing is the process of assigning the time-based index to your time series data, allowing for proper alignment and time-dependent operations in analysis. Here, the steps involved is crucial because time-based data inherently follows a temporal structure and the correct indexing ensures the time-related dependencies are properly captured. The key concept in time-based indexing includes daytime indexing, resampling, shifting and lagging, time alignment, finally handling time gaps. Data time indexing. Suppose you have two variables in your dataset, temperature and sales. You need to create a daytime index for each variable so they align with the time axis for analysis. Resampling. Converting the daily data into hourly data, interpolating values between the existing time points. For downsampling, converting the daily data into weekly data by taking the mean or sum of values over each week. Next, shifting and lagging. Shifting is used to create lag variables, which are variables from previous time points that are relevant for modeling the current time point. For example, if you are analyzing the relationship between previous month sales and current month sales, you could shift the sales data by 1 month to create a lag variables that corresponds to sales from previous period. Time alignment. When working with multiple time series variables, they should be aligned on the same time index. For example, if one variable has data at a higher frequency and another at a lower frequency, you can resample both to the same time index to ensure they are aligned. The final concept is handling time gaps. In some cases, time series data might have gaps. So you can either fill the gaps using interpolation or leave the gaps as missing values.